So today is finally time to repot or to add to my wild snake plant the plants that grew some roots, and I have actually 3 of them with roots and the one still didn't get the root. The small one didn't get the root yet. And these plants are from Florida, from when we went on vacation. And I tried to Google it so I can add a name to my video, like what type of snake plant is this. Unfortunately, what it tells me that it's a snake plant, and I know it's not because this is my snake plant. Yes, the pattern looks somewhat similar, but the shape of the leaf doesn't. So I'm not sure what type of snake plant I got. I'll have to do more research on it, but it's beautiful and it's big and it's finally ready to be repotted. So the first one that rooted was these 2 leaves together. They first rooted, and you can see that it already grew baby leaves. Here I have, the plant does have babies, new leaf. So I'm going to add these cuttings to this plant since it's kind of a big pot for it, and it's gonna be looking more fuller and nicer. To do that, I'm gonna scoop the soil with my shovel, and I'm gonna make it on a fast move so I don't have to keep you too long watching the same process. So this is how it looks right now. Very pretty, looks fuller, and I cannot wait to see babies coming from these cuttings I added today. They survived very well, given the fact that they came here back from Sarasota, and it was a tough shipping. The other plants didn't look so good as this one. Now I'm gonna give them a sip of water, and in time I will update on how they look and how they're doing. So if you know what type of species is this one, please let me know in the comments, and thank you for watching.